Installation steps of folding awning against the wall. Measure the size of the profile. Remove the mounting code from the side rail for backup. Determine the installation position of the mounting code. Mark the installation position. Drill holes at the marked positions. Assemble the mounting code. Use a hammer to knock the mounting code into the hole. Measure the position and install the other installation code. The distance between the two installation codes is shown in the figure. We start from the drive pulley on one of the crossbars and extend to the center point of the pulley on the other end. It is exactly the same as starting from the two mounting codes. From the center of each installation the measured distance. Fix the column to the base with screws. Find the fixed point of the column. Place the pillar. Mark at a distance of 2.5 centimeters from one end. Screw the screw at the bottom of the sink. Fix the sink according to the mark. Column connection key. Fix the other end of the sink in the same way. Column connection key. Move the sink to the pillar position. Connect it to the pillar. Don't screw the screws yet. Connect the track to the mounting code. Pay attention to the direction of the track. The rain guard should be on the inner lower side. Next, connect the track to the sink. Install the other track in the same way. Perform horizontal calibration. Make sure the sky bracket is in a horizontal state. Measure the track to ensure that the two tracks are parallel. After measurement, fix the sink and pillar with screws. Screw the base to the ground. Securely fix it to the ground. Before installing the drive rod, push the transmission pulleys on both tracks to the end. Otherwise, each guide rail will be out of sync during installation. Asynchronicity will cause belt breakage and motor damage. It can't drive. Insert the drive rod into the track. When the drive rod is not fully inserted into the track, do not rotate the drive rod. Otherwise, it will cause asynchronicity will cause belt breakage and rotation. Turn the drive pulley out about half a meter. Push the motor into the drive rod. Pay attention to the motor position. Install it according to the position of the curtain's power cord on the corresponding side. When installing the motor cover, please ensure that the two travel holes on the cover align with the corresponding stroke holes on the motor. Finally, tighten the motor cover screws. Take out the fabric. The first one on the fabric is the traction rod, and hang it on the drive pulley. Let's hang the second mop rod first. Put the mop pulleys into the track on both sides. Here, make sure the pulley direction is parallel to the track and not twisted. Hang the remaining mop rods in turn. Don't hang the last one. Fix the track with screws. Next, install the first traction rod. Hang the last mop rod under the motor. Open the control box cover. Note the position of the light wire, V+, V-. Connect the red light wire to the plus position and the blue light wire to the micro-reduction position. Then connect the electric shock line. Note the wiring positions of yellow, green, black, blue, and brown. Connect the corresponding color of the motor wire to the corresponding position of the control box. The motor wire is connected. Turn on the power of the control box. Pair the remote control. Turn on the remote control. Set to channel 1. Press the black button on the control box. Then press the button in the middle of the side. The remote control is paired successfully. Press the up button to start the motor. Next, adjust the motor stroke. Turn the adjustment rod as shown in the picture to increase or decrease the stroke. After adjusting the stroke, if the fabric is relatively loose, rotate it half a circle first. Then press the down button on the remote control to roll up. Then press the up key on the remote control to stretch it. Make sure the fabric is not too tight. Don't bump the traction rod into the sink. Use a ruler to measure the positions on both sides of the pull rod. The difference should not exceed 1 centimeter. It proves that the guide rails are synchronized. After the measurement, tighten the screws of the profile and insert the motor pin to prevent the motor from moving. Insert the rubber plug of the motor cover to prevent water ingress. Splice the rain shield together. Remove the aluminum alloy film. Use screws or structural adhesives. Fix the rain shield above the motor. Fold the awning. Installation completed.